Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your one and only Forex hero. I go by the name of Ofentse Ledwaba. In this channel, you know what we share. I share Forex knowledge, I share Forex risk management, and I share the Forex psychology to be able to assist you guys to become profitable traders. So, for you guys, just show your support by clicking the like, click the subscribe, and notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop a new video. So, without wasting much time, you know what to do, guys. I always urge you guys to always grab your pen and paper so that when I go into the chat, you can take notes and be able to apply the same knowledge that I've been able to apply, gathering from different traders around the world. Do you understand, guys? I'm sharing with you at no cost. This is free, but if you like to use the broker that I use, click the link below, sign up with the broker now, and make sure you are trading with a regulated broker. They offer 100% bonus. And also make sure, if you like to learn from us, you know what to do. Our contact details are below. You know what to do. Contact us, contact the Forex Hero, and become part of the family. Let's go into the chats. Yes, I'm on the charts, guys. You know, I like to share some knowledge. I'm very much happy when I'm on the charts. As you know, guys, I like to share some knowledge to you guys. Guys, one thing that you need to know, forex trading is not a scam. Forex trading, it's something that you can make a primary income. It's something that you can start making a secondary income if you're still working. But if you are coming straight from college or from high school, you can still make it your primary income only if you follow the rules, only if you get the right knowledge, and only if you are patient enough and you follow your risk management and you treat it like a gambling. Always treat it like a business. So with this, I just want you guys to notice something. I'm looking at Euro USD JPY. Gonna start by looking at what's currently happening. You can see we have an impulse to the downside. This is a correction, and then we have a further impulse. Then we have a correction here. It's a correction, and a break, and then we have a straight correction to the upside. Then we have a impulse, correction, impulse move. Right. So by you looking at this, I urge you to find it in yourself to look for this. Why? Because I want to show you that we had a break here. If I'm a little bit too fast, you have to go back to video. So we are on 15 minutes. Let me go to this scenario. Okay, look, we have a break here of the structure, but after having a break, what do we have? Can you see this was a what? Was a inverse head and shoulders. We have a left shoulder here, head, boom, right? And you can see clearly we reached this point. Okay, let me use the box. Use this box. So what I like to do mostly, I like to label this. Okay, this would be my supply, and this will be my demand. Fine. Can you see where we are? We are in between the supply and the demand, but we had this trend line showing us this move, right? Okay, I'm on 1 hour now. So can you see we had a break? Now look at this as a retest. As much as we have not broken this demand going into the downside, I still see a chance of us pushing to the upside. Actually, my bias is pushing to the upside, and then I look at the market pushing to the further upside. Let me show. Pushing up in this manner. Possibly it can come back, and then we break this, we push further up. This is what I'm looking at. Understand? We might not have the exact pattern, but look at what's gonna happen. The market won't just shoot straight. You just come test the sellers and then push break above. Because why? I see that this demand is strong. We have a reverse head and shoulders. We have a reverse head and shoulders. we broke out of this, and then we have a retest here. So we actually have a lot. Let me show you the trick now. Okay, fine. I'm gonna show you the trick. Okay, let me just remove this. Okay, fine. We did see that we have a break, right? So now let's make things simpler. Gonna make everything simpler. Gonna take this break, put it here. This is a decider showing us the market has broken out of this channel, and then you are having what? You are having a falling wedge, then it was broken, and you're having this pattern. Oops, come on, yes. Then you're having this pattern. So one thing I want to show you people, the reason why you might have a setup that will eventually have a push a little bit downward before it can break, it's simple because of this. Can you see we are having what? We are having 1, 2, there's a third touch here. So obviously technically you can look at selling, but I would advise you not to sell here because we are having a correction to the downside. It is a channel pushing to the downside, showing some sort of a downtrend. But the mere reason that we have a reverse head and shoulder here, I'll advise you not to sell this thing here, right? This thing here, right? For the fact that we have this, I would advise you not to sell here because I don't see the market pushing to the downside. If it does, how we gonna catch it? We're gonna catch it as well if it does push to the downside. Let me show you. We're gonna catch it in this manner if it breaks this. So you're not gonna sell blindly. Let me do this. Okay, and this. Yeah, you can do this. Okay, fine. So for me to sell, I need to have reasons for myself. I don't want to be selling because I say it's a channel, it's a downtrend. No, we need to have the reasons. Okay, fine. Can you see this little bit of rejection? It shows that the market is rejecting to push to the downside. But if it pushes, it has to break some sort of this trend here. So I'll only sell if the market is here. Yes, I'll only sell if the market comes close around this point. But for now, I won't sell as long as the market is still above this point. You see, as long as the market is still above this point, because you can see it is a rejection candle. It's showing you that I'm rejecting to push to the downside, and I've closed with a low. You understand? So currently here we are creating higher highs and higher lows. Can you see the market is like this? Let's do this. Yes. So this is actually a sign of what? Of an uptrend. You understand? This is actually a sign of an uptrend. So, but I'm not gonna buy here. I'll only buy if it breaks this. Same here. We'll just say when it breaks this, because we are currently here and we are having this resistance. It might hold. So I'll wait for the market to break, and then I can safely say I'm buying here. Then I'll take the market to the top. This manner we have the big falling channel. So this is what I'm looking at. So let me clear things to make sure the analysis is clean. But I hope you do get what is currently happening in the market. The market will always test you. The market will always try to check if you are following your rules. So I'll only buy when the market is above this break. Okay, let me do this. Yeah, this break, and then I'll only sell if the market is what? This break. So can you see in the middle here, I see as the decider. So this is what I'm looking at. Let's look further. Can you see what actually happened here? Can you see what actually happened? We have this area here, which became the support, and the market, what was it doing? It broke here, and then it came. Sorry. The market pushed here, and then it came here, then another one, then last one pushed. Then what it do? It came here, then correction, boom. Understand? So you just have to understand what the market is currently doing. So learn to understand the pattern separation, be able to separate your pattern so that you can be able to see your analysis clearly. Even if you look at this, you can see, if you follow pattern separation, you'd see that yes, we were preparing ourselves to push to the upside, but the market don't just push straight into the upside. It needs to take people out first. So can you see, if you're forced to buy and then you said you're gonna squeeze your stop loss, you could have been taken out. But yes, you're correct. You're supposed to give it a little bit of room and follow your rules and make sure that your touches are 2 or more. You don't just create your own touches. So you can see even here we have something of this nature. This, you see. So guys, not to dwell too much into the past, make sure you follow what I do, and also make sure you guys follow your risk management and also back test, guys. That's the only way that you'll be able to become a profitable trader. The reason that I always share the knowledge is that to empower you guys and always share with you each and every day the signals, and always that you can be able to earn while you learn. Please do not forget to use the broker that I use, guys. It's one of the most trusted broker, and they are regulated as well. So from me, yourself, your favorite mentor, you know where to catch me in my next video. Peace.